How to measure distance on Google Maps. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Google Maps on your mobile. As you open Google Maps on your mobile, then you have to select two random locations or two locations that you want to go to, or you have to want to find the distance between. So let's say I am going to find the distance between New York, USA, and over here I am going to click on directions. As I click on direction, then I have to choose a starting point. I can choose a starting point, or let's say Washington Square Park, and then it will tell me the distance between them. It is 1.6 miles distance, and as this I know all the distance between New York and Washington Square Park. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.